Okay, now we need to try to apply it. So if you go to the next page in your packet, we have some word problems. Follow along with me on number 1. Alexandra has $20 in her bank account and starts saving $25 every week. Kristen has $60 in her account and is saving $15 every week. If the total amount of savings is Y and the number of weeks is X for both people, write the system of equations for the two girls. So let's reflect on Alexandra. So the total amount in savings is Y. She has $20 in a bank account, so she starts with $20. So that's her starting point. And then we're going to add on her rate of change for each week. So then she saves $25 for each week. Remember, X is the number of weeks. Y is the savings. So let's write Kristen's. So we're going to write the amount of savings is Y, and that will equal her starting point of $60 plus $15 every week. If you're wondering where I got these numbers from, go back to the original problem. Alexandra has $20 in her bank account and starts saving $25 every week. Kristen has $60 in her bank account and is saving $15 every week. The 20 and the 60 are their starting points. The 25 and the 15 are their rate of change, or it's the slope of the line. Part B asks, for what number of weeks will both girls have the same amount of money in their savings account? This is asking us to find the solution of the system of equations. So we need to figure out at what point would these two lines intersect. When are X and Y the same? Now you have options here. You could graph this in your calculator, or you could solve using substitution. I'm going to go ahead and use substitution for this problem. So I'm going to take Alexandra's equation, 20 plus 25x, and I'm going to replace it for the y in Kristen's equation. So 20 plus 25x equals 60 plus 15x. I'm going to subtract the 15x. 20 plus 10x equals 60. Now I'm going to subtract 20 and get 10x equals 40. I'm running out of room, but next step will be to divide by 10. I have to undo multiplying by 10, so I divide by 10. 40 divided by 10 is going to be 4. So x equals 4. The number of weeks is going to be 4. At 4 weeks, both the girls will have the same amount of money in their savings account. If you wanted to check your work, you could plug 4 in to each of these equations. 20 plus 25 times 4 is going to equal 20 plus 100, which is 120. For Kristen, I have 60 plus 15 times 4. 15 times 4 is 60, so 60 plus 60 is again 120. Notice when my input was 4 for both of these equations, the output was the same. What I would like you to do now, and you can work in groups, is I want you to try question 2 and question 3 with a partner, your neighbor, or your group around you. You can use graphing or you can solve by substitution. Either one will work.